Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we'll be talking to you about some of the exciting changes that have just happened to our CodePush. Joining us is Akash, product manager, and all things expert when it comes to CodePush. It's great to have you because I have a few questions for you about these updates that we've just released. But before we get to them, maybe a very quick basic question, what actually is CodePush?
Yeah, so this is a valid question. Hello, everyone. CodePush makes possible for React Native developers to release their updates directly to their end users, so they can fix smaller bugs or roll out smaller updates without releasing to App Store and Google Play.
Okay, so we've had CodePush on Bitrise for quite some time now, but we've just shipped some great updates, and these include Delta updates, code signing, and of course now the new Bitrise CI Step. Let's walk through all of these, starting with the Delta updates. What exactly are Delta updates?
Yes, so Delta updates makes the updates smaller. So what happens in the background is instead of downloading the whole update, we make it possible to download only the specific part that changed from the previously downloaded version. So as an end result, for the end user with their phone, they will not need to download a whole package, meaning the download will be faster and of course cheaper for them. Okay. We already see some improvements. So we have some real data, live data on that, and we see 33 to 90% improvement of smaller packages. And the good news is that we are already testing the second iteration of the Delta updates, which will improve this further.
Yeah, 33 to 90% file size reductions is pretty big, and it's great in cutting down the total data transfer volume of a given workspace, and also reducing the packages that users have to download onto their mobile devices. Does this feature require any complex setup?
No, maybe this is the best news. So this is already available. If you are using CodePush on Bitrise, this is already enabled for you. No configuration, no action needed on the developer side.
Okay, so you just have to try CodePush and it's already part of the package. That's great. So let's move on to the second feature, which is code signing. In a CodePush context, what exactly is code signing?
Yes, so code signing makes CodePush updates even more secure. So adds a plus security layer on top of CodePush updates. So what happens is when a developer is creating an update, which they want to release to their end users, they can sign this update. And the end user's device, will only download the specific update which was already signed. If they download an update without the signature, they will just reject it and not install it.
Okay. So we've made basically our updates smaller, but also more secure. Now, some of these features are often priced as kind of premium features with some competitive solutions. How is it with Bitrise?
Yes, we decided to make this feature, so making the updates smaller and more secure, should be available for everyone. So these features, Delta updates and code signing, is available not just on the Pro and Enterprise plans of CodePush, but on the free basic plan as well.
Okay, so basically available for everyone. Our instance of CodePush, of course, integrates with any CI tool that you might be using, but we've also released something that makes it especially good for Bitrise CI users, and that is the CI Step. What exactly is that?
Yes, so just like you mentioned, CodePush can be used with any CI, not just with Bitrise CI. But we wanted to make the user experience even smoother if we are using Bitrise CI. So we are already offering workflow recipes, CLI to automate your CodePush update generation and management, but now we are offering a CI step, which can make the process even faster and more convenient.
Okay, great. So in summary, we've made the updates smaller, we've made them more secure, and we've also brought our solution closer to the Bitrise CI. Now, if any of this sounds exciting to you and you want to try it out, the good news is that we do have a very generous free tier, which covers up to 100,000 monthly active users. You can get started immediately by creating an account. You don't need to be using the Bitrise CI, but as we learned, it's a little bit better now for CI users with our step. If you're interested in using Bitrise CodePush beyond 100,000 monthly active users, we have some of the most cost-effective plans available on the market today. So please don't hesitate to reach out, and I'm sure we can find a solution that works for you. Thank you so much, Akash, for all of your great answers, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you all on CodePush.